Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Dan here, hope you're doing well. I'm on a cruise. I'm on MSC Preziosa, Pretzel, I don't know what it's called. Basically, I've seen loads of bad reviews for this cruise line on the internet and on YouTube. Loads of videos of people slagging it off, so come and try it myself. Have a quick mooch. I'm in Southampton at the minute, so obviously got docks over there where all the shipping stuff comes in. Got a guy there doing star jumps, only in Southampton. Over this side we've got a nice car park. That's about it. We're at the front of the ship, I think. Yeah, back's down that way, front. Do you know what? Forget my video. What are these doing? Oh, posing for photos, never mind. We'll allow it this once, we're on holiday. So, cruising. Done a few cruises, guys, okay? For those who want to travel more, but they're scared about going themselves, or the logistics of it puts them off, a cruise is a way to go. It's so easy. There's a misconception that it's for old people and, you're old and fat and greasy, whatever else, if you go on a cruise, it's fucking brilliant, okay? So keep watching. I'll do it over a few episodes so I don't bore you too much, okay? I'm going to get the drone up, get some footage. Guys, enjoy. I'll catch you later. Bye-bye. Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? I'm having to hold the microphone because whenever I clip it onto my jacket, the dead cat blows off the top, dead mouse, whatever it's called, and I don't want to lose it this early on in the trip. We have left Southampton. As you can see, the lights in the distance. You probably can't see that on this wanky GoPro, but we are well and truly on the way. What we're doing is we're crossing the channel, we're going to France, and it'll be Belgium, Germany, places like that. To be honest, I'm not completely sure. I'll let you know as and when we get there. One thing I will say on a cruise ship, what not many people talk about in these videos, is even if you're going somewhere warm, like, oh, south of France, that'll be warm, when you're crossing the channel and you're in waters or international waters and there's no buildings or no structures to get in the way of wind, and there's nothing but open water, it is like a wind tunnel. It's unreal. So make sure you pack nice cozy clothing for that. Nothing else to tell you at this point. This ship can hold nearly 4,000 people, like 3,956 or something like that. I might have just made that up, but it's near that. But it seems dead. I'm not sure why. There's not a great deal of people on it, but I'm not complaining. It's quite an old ship. It was commissioned in 2013. Normally cruise companies, especially Royal Caribbean, they spend millions, if not billions, on cruise ships. They only keep them for a few years and then sell them on or break them down. So this is by far the oldest cruise ship I've been on, but it is impressing me so far. I'm going to go have some more food, maybe get a drink. Got a bit of work to do on the old laptop. Then I will chill out for the evening. Stay tuned, and I will be in touch when there's something a bit more exciting to tell you. Troops, what's going on? I'm in the buffet food hall. The only way I can explain it is when you're in school and if you were school dinners, not packed lunches because you weren't one of the cool kids, it's like that. It's just full of people while looking at what each other's got. Some glare at you when you walk past and some say hello. Not great. The food, there's lots of variety, but it's the same thing. So, third time in here today. So 3 times I've had pizza. They've got pasta, they've got whatever else. I did hear some guy asking what the gluten-free options were, and looks like that guy's living on rice. So it's I shouldn't laugh, but it's quite unfortunate. The desserts still look decent. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. As for what it is, I haven't got a clue. I will show you around, but I don't want to get everyone in the video because some people get quite upset. We've officially left Southampton. We're in the arse end of nowhere, so I'm going to enjoy my tea and my chocolate thing, and I'm going to go and get my head down. Morning, ladies and gents. It is the start of day 2. Slept really well. Got out of bed about 15 minutes ago. Just come for a breakfast. I don't know if you can see that. Check out my breakfast. Meal for kings. It's basically a full fry up. Got like pastries and meats and cheeses and all that crap. Got a brew. The ship is currently in the English Channel, is that right? Whatever. Yeah, we're just heading towards Germany. Hamburg. I'm not sure whether the light from the camera is going to show this well enough, but if you have a look outside, you'll see a cruise ship in the distance. You might not be able to see it, but there's another one over there. We're literally in the arse end of nowhere, just working our way over to Germany. Today's plan: catch up on some paperwork for work when I go back. I'll explore a little bit, show you around the ship, but for now I'm going to get stuck into this, and I'll catch you guys later. Video I mentioned that when you're out in the abyss, it's incredibly windy. This is a prime example. I've got you probably can't hear it very much. I've got this dead cat on the end of the on the microphone, but it is so windy. Just have a quick look behind you and you'll see the clientele we've got today. But as it's a sea day, there's obviously you can't get off. If you're getting off, you're not getting back on again. So people just find something to do whilst covering the ground until we get to Hamburg. But I just wanted to point out and indicate how windy it actually gets. Ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? It's Monday and I am in Hamburg. Hopefully you can hear me. There's helimed flying past. Have a look at the views. We're in pretty much in the city centre. Gonna go and do some shopping, have a little mooch around. One thing I've noticed already, there is a obscene amount of churches. We've seen about 15 already, which is quite unlike the UK, but never mind. Got German swan. Have you ever seen a German swan? German pigeon. Don't know what more you want to see. Anyway, I'll show you some more footage in a bit when I have a little goosey gander. There is a shopping centre. I think that's the shopping centre just there. So we'll go and check out the shopping centre. Get some food. When you're in Germany, when you're in Hamburg, there's one thing you need to eat, and that's McDonald's. So gonna go and get one. Catch you later. Troops, I'm in McDonald's. I wasn't joking. First of all, they don't put plastic lids on the mugs, on the paper cups, which is brilliant. Don't get straws either. Don't know why the UK aren't doing that yet. Second of all, I want to highlight this, also known as a gay pride donut. I'm not sure if you can see the colours there, but it's pretty cool. And here's the best bit. I want a close up of my burger. Check this out. A sesame seed bun with little peppery bits on it. Look at that. Crispy onion, barbecue sauce, fried onion, and what's that? It's bacon in it. You don't get that in the UK. And then it's got some special cheese as well. I just wanted to show you that. Really, I know what the people want. That's it. Is Back on board, it's now been taken, and I've been given a little slip, what says custody of property, and then they've written drone and my room number and whatever else. Don't know why they bring cruise ships here, to be honest. Maybe because it's cheap.